Hey everyone, so I was at Cars and Coffee and I saw this old Porsche that had this really cool retro looking emblem. Instead of the red stripes, there were orange and the Porsche lettering on top is gold instead of black, and it looks to be a little larger font. So I ordered it from Suncoast and it came with this rubber backing and these two self-driving nuts that hold the emblem in place. The emblem was $165 and here's the part number. So here's the factory emblem with the modern look. The Porsche lettering is black and the font's thinner, and the stripes are red and black instead of orange and black, and you can't really see the Stuttgart logo. It's more embossed on the retro one. So the rubber backing is applied to the back just like this, and mine is cut because I accidentally cut it when I was opening the packaging. You got to be careful with that. Underneath the hood, there's the two holes that you can use to access the bolts, but it's covered by a plastic piece here. You just gotta pop it off. Then you use an 8mm deep socket on the smallest wrench possible. So I thought this part was going to be straightforward, but actually it wasn't. So as I was undoing the bolts underneath the emblem, it wasn't really backing off of the emblem. It just kept turning and turning and turning. So what I ended up doing was using a plastic pry tool to prop the emblem up just slightly so that there was enough angle for me to back out the nut on the bottom. Now push down the emblem firmly and put the two nuts through the bottom of the pins. Don't forget to tighten the bottom two nuts. Now reapply the plastic hole covering underneath the hood. Close your hood and clean it off and enjoy your brand new retro looking emblem.